Right, so all of you, good morning. Last session, we done with the template like this, right? So I think last session we completed this part as well as we added a font over some style, font icons, nothing but Google fonts we added, nothing but font families we added to this. And finally, the shape of the website will be like this, right? Now, still, if you want to implement any other functionality, you can implement in this web page, right? So like a footer, like a header, if you want, you can implement it, guys, here. So now let us open this website as the hospital. So now if you can go to the footer of this website, you can observe the footer is little different, guys. Can you go and check this now? The footer is, this is look like the footer. If you want to implement such a kind of footer, can you see this is book an appointment? This is full width. Can you observe this? Full width. And but this is not fixed width. This is this is fixed width. And at the bottom, so now this is a footer. Now anybody, can you tell me the structure, how to take the structure for this footer? So now I want to plan to take the structure for this footer. Let me make this normal in size screen. I'm making this a small screen. Wait for a second. I will tell you why I'm doing this way. So this is the way that we can do. So let me copy this because I want to tell you the structure, how to do this. That's why I'm taking this. This is completely the thing we are able to see. Okay, don't worry. Up to here, I'm copying. And if you want to implement that footer also, yes, you can implement the footer. So obviously, now you can open the paint diagram and you can check the same thing. Now let us open the paint diagram. Let me tell you the structure for this, guys. So I'm telling the structure only. You are requested to implement the footer. Okay. So it's very important thing. Try to implement the structure. Okay. Can you see this now? So observe this carefully. Here you have some full sections. Can you see this carefully? This is all going to be one parent completely. You can take this as one parent. Sorry, let us use the square. So this is all going to be one parent. I hope you understand what I'm telling you. And now the next one, very important thing is going to be, this is the next one. Guys, try to observe this carefully. The next one is going to be, this is full width. All of you see this carefully. This is full width. And the next one is going to be, this is exactly fixed width there. This is not full width there. And this is also going to be fixed width. Like this, you have to take three divs, and try to observe. And this is all going to be in one div, right? All of you understand carefully. This is all going to be in one div. This is in one div, that is in one div. After that, in this, we have four divs. Div one, we can take div two, we can take div 3 like this. This is a way of taking the structure, guys. Okay. If we can try to start implementing this, yes, I can tell you how can we proceed further. So try to create the footer. This is the structure I given. And one more thing, these menu items are there, right? These are, you can take ULLI also. ULLI, this is H1 tag or H3 tag, okay? And you can take all these into ULLI. So ULLI, by default, they will come vertically only, right? So no problem. Just remove the dots. That's all. It's completed, guys, here, right? So you can try this example. So this is a structure I can just give you for that. So plan for the structure. So overall parent, inside the parent, you have three children's. So children's means one is full width, second is fixed, third is also fixed width. So you can take like this, try to implement the structure. Now let me move to create inner pages. How to create the inner pages? Let's go to this and create some inner pages. Now, if you can go to your layout, maybe you are having some kind of home page, about page, something will be there, right? Can you see careers? We have contact us. We have leave feedback. A lot of pages are there. Our hospitals. Click on this. We have to display the hospitals list. So now if you can click book an appointment, there we will open a form. Our specialties. If you can click on our specialties, can you see what are the specialties we are having inside of it? So the same thing you want to implement, you can click on the menu. So if you can click on the menu, are you getting the specialties? I think we are getting cardiac sciences. Let us click on the cardiac sciences. And this is a way that we are getting the pages. This page is common for everything, I believe. So whatever they're implementing, our hospitals, this is the hospital page. So they're maintaining a landing page again for this Kerala, something like this. Okay. If you can go to this, anything, you see all inner pages are look like same only. Can you observe? Only the doctor's content and the videos content are getting changed. You observe this carefully. All the inner pages are look like same. And book and appointment will be different. Here, let us see what is a book and appointment. Okay. So this is also one challenging task to you. In the left side, they're displaying all the specialties and all the specialties here. So I want to go for cardiac surgery. The right side automatically this list is getting updated, right? How can we do this? And that is done by using JavaScript. JavaScript. On selecting the filter, we are getting the data, right? Now I deselected. Now you see again the categories are coming normally. So like this, we can find the list of available doctors inside of it. So see different pages, international patients. Maybe these are all testimonials, maybe I believe. So different people and different Aster CMI like this. Almost all their inner pages are look like similar. Okay, if you want, you can create any one of the inner page, whatever it is going to be. Book an appointment and go to our specialties, whatever it is going to be. Click some cardiac sciences, and these inner pages are going to be look like similar. Can you see this carefully? How these are going to be? Yep. So these are all going to be look like this. Can you see? This is all exactly how this content is look like. So upon the image, we have some kind of thing. Image is, can you see how this is working? This type of functionalities we have to implement it, guys, here. Okay. So, and moreover, you see, this functionality will be added like this. I mean, this clinical support, can you see? Click this, it will expand. Click this, it is going to be expand. This is also done by using JavaScript. Okay, this is also done by using JavaScript functionality, not by using HTML and CSS functionality. Can you see this carefully? And this is the some functionalities, some video testimonials we are having, the thing like this. Got it, right? So news and events, whatever it may be, it's again a sub page. If you can go to some other websites also, you watch the some other, for example, I'm going to our website. So this is the home page. Can you see the home page? This is the home page we see. Yep, very simple home page. This is, there is nothing big. And if I can go to the inner page like all courses, can you see these are all the courses listing? Now, what are all the courses we have? We are just listing the courses. Like this, we are just listing the courses. If you are clicking any one of the course, can you see where we are displaying all the information related to the course? Can you see the course? And you see the course. Laravel is a course, and we are providing the description and we are giving some information about this course. Maybe you are observing this, how this is going to be, right? So now this is all about the inner page. So home page is called landing page. This is all course listing page. Generally, this is called listing page. So in the listing page, we are displaying all the courses available. Now, if you can click any one PHP MySQL or Node.js or any other Next.js, if you can click, we will see the information of the particular course, right? So this is a very simple content. We don't have much designs and much things are there. Yes, sir. Can you check this? These are called inner pages. And if you can, even if you can click the blog, you see, we will see the blog landing. These are all the blog landing. And I mean, where we can list all the blogs. And if you can click any one of the blog, now can we see the blog details? We can see. This is generally we will do in the website, Sandy. So this is how. See, first of all, who will tell me the page should look like this? Remember carefully, don't bother. For every design, they will create one kind of what we can say wireframe. That is the proof. So this design should look like this. This design should look like this. So you have to see that image. You have to create the layout. For creating the blog template, I given one image, na? So that is a image. So like this, I given an image to you, right? Like this, in company also, they will give you a prototype. So like this, and based on this image, we have to create the template. So any website that you are going to do in the future, it will be like this only. So that be careful. So at least if you know how, if you can know how to create at least 1-3 designs, I think it will be easy to you. and you can try to create the same thing. Okay. Now let us start work on the inner page right now. So this is inner page. What is this is going to be specialties.html. Now if we can click this specialties.html, it is nothing is opening, but let me create one HTML file. Specialties.html is a file, and I'm going to my project. In the project, we have only one file, index.html, and go and create the file with name called specialties.html is a file. And very simple this is. We don't want to do header and footer. Header footer is already created, right? So whatever the code you have written in index.html, Control C. Copy the index.html code and paste into specialties.html. Now you may have a question. Sir, if you paste that file into this, same code we can see now in specialties.html also. Can you go and check this now? If we can refresh the page, we're able to see same code now. Now, remember what is common for specialties and what is common for index.html. If I click and I go to index.html, yeah, I'm going to index.html. If I click specialties, I went to specialties.html, but there is no difference, right? But we have to make it. But remember, what is common between both the pages, if you can ask me? Header and footer is common. So let us go to specialties.html and let us remove the header and footer. I don't want all this header. See, this is the main. Top header common and main header is common. This is common. And what is not required here? Banner is, okay, this banner is different actually. Let me remove this section. So let me go for this, our services section also. See, because of the comment, my job is very easy. And without missing anything, I can easily delete it. So that is the power of comment. So what is common? Header, footer only common. See, header and footer is only the common. Footer we didn't design, we will design, right? If we can design, that's well and good. So now if we can go and check this now, can you refresh it? Now this is header footer. In the header footer mid, we have to add the content of the our specialties. Can you see? We don't want to do, why? Because for every page, header is common, footer is common. So only thing from now we have to start from here and that is a banner image. Upon the banner image, we have an inquiry form, and the inquiry form also we will design like this. We will do one by one pages only. So this is what exactly can you see our specialties. Again, there is some menu. Again, there is some menu, but you can see if you can click something, the content is moving up like this. But I will show you best effect in this. Let me show you in our Codify next. What is men full stack course? If we can go maybe. Yeah, can you see guys here? Same functionality. You see my roadmap. Click on the roadmap. You see it will go on top and stick to the top. Can you see it is stick there? If I can click highlight, see content is scrolling. Na? So that functionality they try to implement it, but that is not that much smooth, and our functionality is very smooth. Can you see FAQs and reviews? This is all getting smooth. Again, if I click on roadmap, this is scroll down. And if we can go on top, can you see? We will see this kind of stuff. And but remember, this functionality on click we are moving. Na? This is we can do with anchor tag also. But if you want to get a smooth scrolling, you have to implement what you have to implement jQuery or JavaScript. Anyone you have to implement, guys. Okay. So now it's time to work with this functionality. Come here. Now the first thing is going to be banner. After the banner, we are having some menu. Oh, lot of items are there, right? You can come there. So this is the banner. On the banner, we have a form, and this is what exactly we have some services. Let us take the same thing. Come here now. So now this is going to be right. This is going to be so inner page startup, whatever it may be. Okay, inner page banner. Let us write the inner page banner section start. Comments are play a vital role. Don't forget the comments to add without fail. So okay, right? This is going to be a section open, section close. In the section ID is equal to banner. Already we taken banner, right? Inner page banner. Inner page banner. I'm taking like this. ID banner. And this is full width banner. In the full width banner, can you see there is a form also? We will work on the form. So inside this div, let me take a div class is equal to inner page banner. Inner page banner class ID. Differentiate, you see, this is ID, this is banner. Don't think both are same. That is the ID, this is class. So why? Because inside this inner page banner, I want to keep this the background image. This is the background image now. So inside this, outer. Inside ID inner page banner, I want to keep the background image. So inside this we can. You can do two things, Andy. This image we can set as a background image also. Whatever the image we have, that image we can set background. Upon the background image, we can keep the inquiry form without anything. So let us do this the same way. So first of all, we have to add the background image, and we have to add the title exactly middle of the banner. And here is going to be inquiry form is just above the banner, right? So inquiry form is completely right side. Let us design the same thing. So I'm just downloading the same image. Press F12. I think these people are also using banner image only. Background image I'm thinking, and click on this. Are you getting any image, mobile image? I want to copy the full section. Okay, where is the full section? Not this is. Oh my God, 1 minute. Let me find this. Yeah, I think this is the section. Did they use a background image here? No, I think they are not using background image. So desktop image. So they are using three images. Can you see? They will load conditionally. No problem. This is the image. Okay. So let me copy this link. I think this is the image, guys, here. And save this image in your local system for a while. So cardiology. Just I'm taking this image, best cardiology, just cardiology dot. See, let's see how the image is saved. Cardiology dot jpg is the image, and so this is what I want to add. So come here now for this inner page banner. If you want to set this cardiology banner, you can go to the CSS and go down and write the CSS. Can you see this carefully? Oh, lot of CSS, almost all 388. Now we are still adding this, right? Comment this. This is going to be inner page banner. So write always a comment like this, inner page banner CSS. So this is going to be hash. So inner hyphen page hyphen banner. So this is what exactly. So background image, you can go for with the URL na. Inside this, we have images folders slash that image name and cardiology.jpg. This is the image. So now you go and check this now. Page, refresh the page. Can you get the background image here? Are you getting the background image? No, I'm not able to see anything. Why? Because there is no content inside of it now. Maybe if we can keep the content inside of it, maybe then you will see. 1 minute, please. Let's write one H1 tag simply. H1 is going to be hello. I'm writing hello. Can you get this? Oh, background image is not uploaded and it's not there. So press F12. Check this. If you can go and press F12 here, in the console you have some error. Can you see the error? So if image is not loaded, sometimes you will get the error and so image not error. There is no error also for the image. Then what happened? It is not saved. But is image is saved in proper location? Yeah, image is not loaded. Can you see? 404 not found. It is not saved. It is not saved in your images folder. It's saved somewhere. Now it's I don't know where I saved that image. I downloaded, but I think it is saved in wrong location. Let's go and check this image location, where exactly this image is. I think it is in men hospital images only. It is in correct location. Then what's the problem? Maybe am I given any wrong path here in this? Can you go and check this note, the CSS file? So images, what is the problem? I think I have to write dot dot slash. Yep, you have to write dot dot slash. Why? Because CSS is in one folder, your images in the other folder, right? I mean, you have to come out of the images folder. Then, I mean, you will come out of the CSS folder. So dot dot slash means see, it is a very simple idea, guys. Let me give you one idea. So write simply dot slash. If you can write dot slash, you see the files you are getting. Right, you write dot dot slash. You see what are all the dot dot slash? Dot dot slash means right now CSS file is in CSS folder na. Because of dot dot slash, it will jump out of the CSS folder and it will look for them. And jump out of means parent location. So now you see, I want to go to images folder. Now see, you are getting the thing. When you're typing, you will get that image. This is one simple technique, right? Now you go and refresh the page. Now I got the image and because there is no content, that's why it is going to be like this. So when the content you are adding more, it will be adjusted and big. So now let's go to my thing and let us set some padding on top bottom. For this also padding, I'm rating 30 pixels top bottom and left right is going to be 0 pixels only. So now you see more padding, and now you can add the content in the middle. Okay, so now you see this is what exactly. Now we have to add the content in the middle. I set it as a background image, no problem. Come to this. In our specialities, left side we have form, right side we have, sorry, right side we have form, left side we have some content. So let us go and check this now. Let us take a div. Class is equal to banner title. Simply I'm taking like this class banner title. So this is going to be one H1 tag. So cardiac CRDSA cardiac services, cardiac services. So and this is going to be another div. And here we have the form, banner form, inquiry form, whatever it is, take this guys, a banner form I'm taking. So you know that every form should be inside the form tag. I think you know the funda of the form in HTML already we learned, whatever the programming language it may be, it should be like this only. Action is equal to something. So, and in this form, what are the fields you required? So can you go to this and what are the fields they are maintaining here? So the fields they are maintaining is going to be inquiry form. Okay, take the heading as inquiry form simply. So H3 inquiry form, UNQIRY inquiry form. So inside the form, what are the fields? First name, last name. There is no labels. Directly we have fields. Okay, let's take the same thing. So I have an input type is equal to text. So input type equal to text. I think I told you name is required. All right, you take a name. ID if you want, you can take ID also, but I'm not taking ID. Let us take class is equal to take my class called form control. This is my own class, and there is a placeholder also. Can you see the placeholder is equal to first name? There is a placeholder. First name, last name, email, mobile. So like this, okay? You can take this is going to be perfect. This is going to be, I'm taking this is going to be last name, last. This is going to be email. So this is also going to be something like call it email. This is going to be L name. Yep, L name. And there is a mobile. There is a mobile symbol, right? So, but you observe the mobile symbol, input type, take this is mobile, and placeholder is going to be mobile number. Did you observe the mobile field? This is a different look, guys. Can you see? Hospitals, okay? So this is a drop down. Let us choose the drop down, select hospital. Some options I'm displaying. Option value equal to simply write empty, and this is going to be HOSP hospital, right? And this is going to be option value equal to, right? This is going to be Hyderabad something, a location, I believe. So let us take this is going to be something called Chennai. This is something called Kerala. Just I'm taking this is going to be Kochi, something like this. Okay, right? That's all. I'm done with it. So now this is done, and finally we have a submit button. I agree. Okay, there is a terms and conditions, guys. Here, this is going to be a label open, label close. In the label, you will write input type. Input type equal to checkbox. So what is the label that I'm having? I agree the something, whatever it is. Simply you write this is going to be right. We are not processing the form, just designing the form only. Just leave it input type checkbox. And finally, there should be a inquire now. There is a button. So there is a button open, button close. This is going to be ENQUIRY, inquiry now. This is the way. On the fly, we are taking this form. And now if you can go and check this now, in your output, if you can see, the form is created now. But you see all my form fields are horizontal. All my form fields are horizontal and they have to be vertical. And moreover, there should be a background color for this form also. And that is what we need to implement. And these are the thing. Can you see guys here? This form and this form. And who is the father of these two? Who is the father of these two? And inner page banner. So title should be left side and this should be right side. And moreover, let me use them fixed width. Let's go to this inner page, write this style.css dot inner page width 85% we are taking everywhere, 85%, margin 0 auto, margin 0 auto. Because of this, now the content is starting from here. And now let's move this completely display flex. Use something called display flex. And now you see display flex. Now I want write justify content space between. Right, let's write one more point called justify content space between is the property. I mean, the form should be completely right side and this should be completely left side. This is what I'm expecting. So, and moreover, the text form fields, every form field, banner form inside this, we have a form field, right? We have taken form control. Let us set the form control width 100%. Okay, let us set the width for form control. I will tell you, wait for a second. Form control width, I'm taking this is going to be 100% width exactly. Now you see, these are the 100% width. Let me set some width for this some width and for this some width. These are the two flexes. I want to set some width for them. And for this also, let us use the form control class for this also. Class is equal to form control. Form control. This is a form control class. Now this is also full width. Let us set some height width gaps, right? So this is going to be HIGHT. Height is going to be 34 pixels. I'm taking height right now. And margin top bottom. Margin, I'm writing this is going to be 5 pixels and 0 pixels top bottom 5 pixels. Now maybe you will see some gap between the text boxes. Still, if you want to get more gap, so you can take the more gap also. Now this is I'm going to take this is going to be not 8 pixels gap I'm taking. Now you will get more gap between the form fields. And slowly we have to bring the form like that, right? Okay. This color should be white exactly. And align item center also write it. Align items center. Why? Because heading should be exactly center only. Yeah. Heading color should be white only. We will come there. We will change the heading height. And this form is looks very big. This we have to move to completely right side. Yes, sir. And we have to set a flex width for the both the boxes, and or else you set width also, no problem. Now inquiry form, I'm just setting the banner form only. For this banner form only, let me set some width here. So dot banner form width, I want to take this is going to be 30% width only, not such a big width, 30% width. Let me see what is going to be happen. 30% width. Now this is 30% width. Still, if you want, you can reduce this width to 20%. 20% you reduce it. Now this is okay. Yep, 25 is better, I believe. 25. Still, you want to adjust this form, you can adjust this form. And moreover, what is the background color for this inquiry form? Background color is going to be white color. Now you see the inquiry form will be like this. And there is no padding and nothing to the form. Let me add some padding all four sides. Padding equal to 20 pixels padding I'm adding. Can you see this form? Form somewhat looks big and looks good also. And as it is not look like as it is here, sir. This form is looks very good because they have more padding here. Still, let us add the more padding to 40 pixels more padding I'm adding. Still, we have to design this our form. Go there, and our form is slowly getting designed. You can add some border radius. Still, you can provide some gap between the buttons. Right. So where is the form control? Yep. If you can come here, form control is this is I'm writing 10 pixels gap. Let us write some border radius. Border hyphen radius. Border radius. The border radius is going to be, I'm taking this is going to be 8 pixels border radius as well as 8 pixels border radius is looks bigger. Oh, then it is going to be, make this is going to be 36 pixels. Okay. Let us remove the border none. Border, or else you write 2 pixel solid, some border. I'm taking this is going to be some triple line border I'm taking. Okay. Right. Triple line border. Just I'm taking like this. Still height of the text box. Okay, make this is 40 finally. And margin is okay. Border radius not 8. Let us make this is going to be only 4. And 2 pixels solid. Somewhat it will be. And what is the color they are using here in the banner? I don't know. Color is very light color. We are using very dark color, right? Triple line is very dark color. Maybe if you can go for this is going to be D1, D1, D1. Very light gray color I just want to take here. Maybe if you can check this, this is a form. border 1 pixels only. Now I given 2 pixels, you take 1 pixel only. Perfect. So I mean, to bring this as it is, yes, we can do. But in the mobile number field, if you can observe, now what is there in the mobile number field? So mobile number field, guys, can you see in the mobile number field, there is a logo. Please observe this site also. There is an Indian flag with the +91 number, right? How can we add this, Andy? See, +91, they are adding automatically. So how did they add this all? And country flag also, it's going to be a drop down. Yes, actually, to do this, we can use some third-party plugins also. Otherwise, but how do I get all these country codes here? The available country codes. What are the countries available? And you see, all these countries are available here. So this is done by using some third-party plugins. Okay, and we can keep this +91 as a something also sticky. Sometimes they will keep the image also. Let me see what, but definitely these countries are done by using a plugin. And we, if you can go to Google, Google will provide you some plugins for it. Country code with the input field with the country code. Google will provide that, actually, that a plugin will provide. But okay, don't worry right now about the plugins. And this is what this all the information will come automatically from that plugin ID. So okay, right now don't worry. Just I'm going to write with mobile. But if you want to do this, right, let me show you the way. I am not integrating. Just I will show you. So input box with country code in HTML with mobile number. Let us go like this. I'm searching like this mobile number with mobile number. Okay. So how to create phone number input HTML, if it is possible something, right? You have to Google for it. Otherwise, best solution, go to ChatGPT. It will give the instant code to you, right? Why should I Google? So let us come there. Put your query here. So this is going to be input box country code with HTML with mobile number, right? Sample HTML code, right? Sample HTML code. Just I'm asking the chat GPT like this. Let us see how this is. Oh, they are using selector. Okay. I think sometimes they will use select and input combination also we can use. Select and input field combination also we can use. Can you see these people are using like this? And right side we have the, can you see guys here? So this is the combination. They can use like this also. You understand? With the flag I want to get means further definitely you have to go for some third party APIs guys here, right? So right, so exactly this is going to be, check this carefully. So you, I mean, these two fields are the combination. They're using this way. These two fields as a combination they're using. And can you see they're written the CSS also? You copy this code, and keep this into an HTML file, come there and save this file, and country.html something, whatever it may be. You run this file, you run the file code and you check this exactly. If you can go and check in open and default viewer, so this is the country code and they are getting like this. But we have to use some CSS techniques here to manage this. So here we have to get country code and everything. If you want to get means that we have to write the logic for it. So that is done with the help of some kind of third-party plugins. Okay. So don't worry. So this is the form that we can create here like this. Okay, now you can go the form and this submit button should be full width again. So let us go to the submit button, come to the code and design the submit button as well. So sorry, where is the code? Yeah, now you can go for the submit button, inquiry button. Let us take some class called inquiry button. So take some class is equal to, class name is equal to enquiry, inquiry hyphen btn. Inquiry button will be like this. Go to the file and check this inquiry button here like this, dot inquiry button. So background color is going to be this color only, and width of the button is going to be right 100% the button. 100% is the width of the button. And let us write some padding and padding to the button. Uh, 12 pixels and left right I'm writing 20 pixels padding I'm writing. Let us see what is going to happen. Is the padding is applied to the button or not? Go and check the output in the browser. So this is the button, but color should be white, and margin top also we need some gap. 1 minute. Go to the HTML code. Yeah, come to this. So border none. We don't want any border for the button. Border hyphen radius is going to be 4 pixels. 4 pixel border radius. And what's the next one that we are going to check this? Color should be white color. Color is going to be white color. Margin top. Let me move some margin top only. I'm writing this is going to be 20 pixels margin top. Can we go and check this form? Maybe if you can see, there is a inquiry form button. So maybe if you want to make any kind of transparent backgrounds, you can make the transparent background also. And this color should be white color. See, that is not exactly perfect. And go to these specialties and add one class for this banner title. Of course, we have banner title H1 is there, right? So font size, color, both I want to add. So this is what the class banner title. We have H1. So color should be white. Color is going to be white color. And what else? Font size. Let us add the font size is going to be 50 pixels font size I'm adding. This is cardiac services, something like this. Right. So exactly this way we can make the forms, guys, here. That is the banner section. If you want to make more, as it is, a border radius is there, some kind of box shadow may be also there for this form. Box shadow and text boxes size is very big, I believe, but I didn't take such a big. Okay, no problem. Text boxes height and we taken 40. I think they are having much. So 40 or 44, whatever it is you want to take it. Form control 44. Still, if you want to make 44, yeah, fine. Okay, don't worry. We are getting the shape or not. Okay, right, done. I'm done with it. And for this banner form, you want to take a border radius also, you can take the border radius. Border radius is going to be 5 pixels border radius, curved borders for the banner form. Yeah, my form is ready. So now I will move for the next section. Can you see the background image is repeated, Andy? Can you see at the bottom? Maybe if you can see the background image trying to get repeated. So background image is going to be no repeat. Where is this? Go there. Background image, no repeat. Background image, sorry, background repeat. It should be no repeat. So image is not repeated, but you see, image is not repeated in the sense, right side we are getting something differently, right? So then write one property, background size is a property with the option called cover. Cover means it will cover whole the screen only. Now you see that is exactly cover to the whole screen. We don't have any problem. Now banner is completed. Banner section is completed. Now it's time to implement the next section. Go to this. What is the next section we are having? Can you see these are all the some menu items are there? Oh, sorry. Yeah, see, these are all the some menu items are there. These menu items, let me implement the same thing just above the banner, right? You overview. Some menu items are there. These are the menu items. I just want to implement here. Go to your code and this section is completed. Now one more section is going to be like this, right? The same thing. Inner page menu, inner page menu, inner page menu, inner page sticky menu. Actually, we can say inner page sticky sticky menu. We can say like this, inner page sticky menu, and you can add these items. But all these items should be let us take this is also one section. So this is going to be some class is equal to sticky menu, sticky hyphen menu. In this sticky menu, we can keep this is full width. So let us take a div also. Div class is equal to, or let us take this div ID for full width, and div class is equal to sticky menu for fixed width. Sticky menu, sticky menu. In this sticky menu, take ULLI, add the menu items, all the menu items. What are the menu items we see? This is the menu items we see. Every menu item should be inside LI. So it should be an anchor tag also. We have to wrap it. This is going to be AHREF is equal to, yeah, like this. Multiple anchor tags, we should take it. Okay, right. This is going to be. So this is second one, specialties and treatment and procedures. And this is going to be advanced specialties, FAQs, patient stories, like this, blogs and news and events. One more menu item is going to be like this. I'm done with it only. So remove all this empty space. Yep. Now we have to design this also, right? Yes. Again, we have to again sticky menu and class is equal to simply you can take something called S menu, whatever it is you want to take it. S menu or sticky menu. Sticky menu. So this is going to be S menu. These are the menu items. Can you see how these menu items are arranged? And this is also in fixed width. So go to this sticky menu section. Background color is going to be now you first see the preview. If you can go to your code, see the preview, how the menu is displayed, and this is how the menu is getting displayed. Able to see? The menu should be horizontal. So that who is the father of this menu? S menu. Let us set some background color for the sticky menu. Go to the sticky menu, write the comment here again, and you're writing some sticky menu, hash, sticky menu. So let us set the background color is going to be, I want to set this is going to be D4, 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 some color I'm using. So not exactly, this is the D4, D4 color I'm using. So, okay, fine, no problem. We will change it if required later. Now, dot S menu, display flex. Now menu items are side by side. Na? Menu items are side by side neatly. And justify content center. Okay, wait for a second. I want to provide some space, width and everything. Dot S menu. Oh, here also we can provide the gap. Okay, don't worry. Dot S menu, S menu, Li, S menu Li. So padding, you write it. Padding top bottom 20 pixels. Left right. So what is the best option? 15 pixels can I provide? Yep, let me check this. That is a banner item will be like this. Still, I think it's required more, I believe. Let's say this is going to be top bottom 30 and this is going to be 15. I'm okay with it. Remove the dots and list style type none. You can increase the font size also. Font hyphen size is going to be, I want to make this is going to be 20 pixels font size. And font weight bold also. Font weight, this is going to be bold weight. Now maybe you see this is how the font weight will be. Still 20 is big, make this 18 only. Okay. So 18 is fine. Okay. So now remove the underline and make the color also. Dot S menu, S menu, Li, A. Color is going to be white color. Exactly, you can take a white color is going to be like this. That, oh, not white color. What is the color we have seen here? Okay, this is blue and on hover the color is different. Okay, no problem. This blue I'm taking. And remove the underline also. Text decoration. Text decoration is going to be S menu, Li, A, S menu, forward, no space. It will be like this, forward, and A. Color should be that a green color over it. Right, this is what Li over color. Right now, can you check this now? So this is how this will be like this. Exactly the same thing we are implementing like this. Okay, step by step. If we can come here now, it will be easy to watch it. Exactly, the menu items are going to be like this. So now it's time to work with the next section. What is the next section? If we can come there, this is direct heading, but with fixed width, some information is available. Okay, let us go and check the same thing. Okay, so copy the same information. So take one more section, inner page content. Right, so take one like this, guys. You are requested to implement all these activities. Inner page sticky menu and the inner page sticky menu end. inner page sticky menu, and this is what exactly. So this is going to be exactly what is the next one, guys? Here, inner page sticky menu, and right. So inner page content. Let's write this is going to be inner page content like this. Page content. So start and end also write it exactly. See, we should write patiently these comments, and don't neglect the comments. They are very, very important. Guys, don't underestimate this. They are very important. Okay. So inner page content, inner page hyphen content, like this I'm taking. So you can take a div with the class same inner page content. Class is equal to inner page. This is going to be content, inner page content. Inside this, we have the following information. Just we copied this information from there. And what is the heading? And this is cardiac sciences. Use this H1 tag open close. Yeah, cardiac sciences. So this is going to be, so right, this is going to be H5 open close. And remaining everything is going to be paragraph tag. Okay. So remaining everything is going to be paragraph tag, guys. Okay. Wrap this into para. The same way, I just want to take there. What is the way the content we representing there? Same way I'm taking here. So again the same. So when I'm pressing the keys, it was available hospital. I think this is clickable, I believe, maybe. I'm thinking. Go to the website. Hey, this is also puppet. That is not required. Okay, leave it. That is the content, guys. Here, let us design this content also with some neat line spaces and all everything. If you can come here now, and can you see the content? The content will be like this, no spaces and nothing. And let us apply some kind of width for it. How can I apply some width for it? Let us show you the same thing. Okay, right now you can go and check this now. So this is what exactly inner page content fixed width, guys. This is going to be. Yeah, sorry guys. So here the dot class is going to be inner page content. Set the fixed width for it, 85% width as we expecting every time. So width is going to be 85% width, and this is right exactly margin 0 and auto. Exactly, this is going to be, yeah. So, and we have to provide some gaps here. So, okay, and let us see how this gap is going to be provided and the size and the color and everything. This is what the title, right? Content title. If you can go to this and let us check something called uh, class is equal to write something called content hyphen title. Content title. Take the same thing. Content title, take different classes, no problem. Their color is going to be same color, it will be like this. And this is going to be font hyphen size is going to be, I'm writing 50 pixels font size I'm writing. So now this is the right. You should provide some gap on top and bottom. Font weight normal, better to write this is property font weight normal font, write it. And margin top and bottom margin, if you can take, this is going to be 15 pixels top and bottom, and 0 pixels is going to be sum. This will be like this, cardiac sciences. And now, okay, this is the part of this only, right? Do one thing, and better to have this is the part of this only. I think bottom is not required, guys. Here only write margin top. I will write 1 minute, please. Only margin top only. Margin hyphen top top. Margin top. This is going to be 15 pixels only. Bottom is not required right now. Okay, leave this. Now can you see? This is the title. And under this, hot come something is there. Rewrite something for this. So is the font is okay? I mean, yep, everything is okay. So for this H5, this is going to be H5. Content subtitle, you can take it. This is going to be class is equal to content subtitle. Better take this is going to be content subtitle. Okay, right. This is what exactly the thing. So, and here you write the same thing. Font size little. Font size is going to be 18 pixels font size. Here you write margin bottom for it. Margin bottom, I'm writing 15 pixels again for this. Maybe now it will be looks clear. Now this is what we are expecting. Font weight normal you can make for this also. Font weight normal font. I don't want any bold for this. Yeah, this is what the thing. Now for every para, we should have some line height, guys. Yeah, for every para, there should be some line height. So the paras available inside the content inner page content para. Set some line height to this. Line height, can I use 38 pixels? Let me see. 38 pixels means the content will be like this. Okay, the content is going to be like this. I'm fine with the content. Okay, now the next section. For the next section like this, if you can go there. And the next challenging maybe, I think this is we already implemented. Oh, this is not implemented, man. So how can we do this? On hover, we have some text. Any guesses to do this functionality? How can I do
After before effect.
after before effect? Why should I
CSS.
use before effect? Is there any other solution? After before is not required actually. And can you observe the design first? So we have no more is not there. When you're hovering, you're getting the no more. That's fine. Content is little zooming. And Aster, Kochi, Kerala, and Kochi, Kerala. Fine. This is how Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, Aster. And can you see here, emergency contact. Here we have beds, and you see that there are doctors. You see specializations, and no more. Anybody? How can we achieve this? And maybe the background is image. Upon the background image, so they are doing something like this. How can I do this? Anybody? Can you guess it and tell me what should I do for this? The structure.
Glassy effect. No?
Glassy effect. That's fine. See the background. We have image. Upon the image, we are getting the text. How do we achieve this? This is what I'm telling you. We can do in many ways. Already I did some flip effect, but it's not flip effect actually. So we can take a background image, right? On the background image, we can take one div with the background color. For that background color, you can write the transparent background also, we can write it. First of all, let me do one thing. I'm not implementing this effect. Let me implement this Aster Med City Kochi. First, let us implement this block. Okay, so can you tell me how to take the structure for it? Anybody? This is the thing. This is the image. I want to take the structure. If you can go to this diagram, can you take the structure for it? This is the thing we are having. How can I take the structure? So obviously, you know that this is all going to be in one div. So all is going to be in one div, one div. So this is on top, Kochi, Kerala. Take this into one div if required. This title is also going to be in one div. Okay, right. This information is also going to be in one div. Or else you can do one thing. Why should I take like this if you can feel? All this information is going to be in one div. Of course, this may be a span, this may be a H1, this may be some para. And all this information is going to be one H1. And the right bottom is very important, guys. If you can observe, this is all in one div, all in one div. And again, everything is going to be, this is one div, and this is going to be one div, and this is going to be one div. This is the structure. Plan the structure like this. Got it? So now if we can take the structure this way, like copy paste for the four blocks. I think we have four blocks and copy paste the four blocks. So this is a way of taking the structure for it, guys. Can you do this? How can we achieve this structure? Yeah, let's go there. And first of all, an available hospital, sir. Okay, available hospital with a transparent background. Or sorry, this is linear gradient background. We already implemented this earlier. So this section we already implemented, guys. If you want, you can copy the same section from there also. But this design is a little different, okay? But let us implement one more section here. One more section. So this is going to be, come here now. This section is completed. Now, one more section I want to take. This is going to be available hospitals. Start and end. So this way I'm taking, right? And start. This is going to be something called section open, section close. ID equal to, take same thing, available hospitals. ID is very big. Let's take my div with the class same, available hospitals. Inside this, can you see, guys, here? First, you taken this yesterday. How did you taken this, all these things? In one div you taken. Do you remember this? So this is all in one div, and this is going to be in one div. These are going to be in one div. Yes, sir. So three divs we have to take it, right? 1 minute, please. Go to the structure that already we implemented. But again, I want to do this. Okay, div this. Class is equal to AH, available hospital, header. So inside we have two divs again. Div class is equal to AH title. So here one more div is going to be view all, I believe, right? So there is a view all is right side now. Again, I'm doing the same section, guys, here. Of course, you can copy paste it, right? For the whatever the code you written, but I'm not copy pasting. I want to write it again. So AH view all. AH view all is the thing. Here we have AHREF is equal to. So this is going to be view all. And with the arrow symbol, right? We want to get the arrow symbol. Maybe somewhere I use the arrow symbol. 1 minute. Copy that arrow symbol icon on the banner or somewhere. I kept this arrow symbol. Yep, this is the arrow symbol icon. Copy this arrow symbol icon. Go to the inner page specialties. Yep, like this, you can add it. And here it is going to be where it is. Yeah, available hospitals and with some para. So go to the editor. So inside, take H1 and take some para. So what is the para tag here? Sorry. This is the done. We are done with this section. Now the next section is very important thing. AH blocks. AH blocks. Inside AH block, one more div. Class is equal to each and every block, AH block. Okay, AH block. In this AH block, this is structure we have to implement. I explained in the design, right? So AH block is the div. So if you want, I will take it again. So this is the AH block. AH block. Inside AH block, take one div for all these label, all this information, guys. Right. So this is this is going to be in one div, and this is going to be in one div, and bottom are going to be in one div. Okay, let's take this a div. Class is equal to AH block info. Inside I have a span Kochi Kerala. Kerala. There is one H3 Aster Med City Kochi. Okay, whatever it is, the spellings, don't worry. Okay, something I taken. Right, this completed. Now the next part is going to be so emergency contact. This is the structure. I will upload this structure if possible. You will design for the Monday session. You try to do it. Monday session we will finish. Monday and Tuesday we will finish, and the next immediately we will followed by bootstrap. Okay, right. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is all about bootstrap only. 5 days. Enough. 5 days is enough for the bootstrap. We don't want to take much time. I'm giving the structure. So please, you try to finish this structure if possible. Okay. Something I am writing. So this is done. Now this is very important, guys. You try to do this. AH specialties. The hospital specialties. I'm giving the structure. You try to. In this, we have three things. Class is equal to AH SP block, specialty block. Like this, we have three. Got it up? So this is AH specialties block. Inside, we have an icon. And one more is going to be 670 beds, something is there. Can you see? Right, 670 beds. So this is going to be an icon. Can I use the icon? Let us use one fixed icon. Font awesome. Go for bed, hospital bed, or simply search for bed. If you want, you can get the icons also properly. I just want to take bed. So yeah, this bed pulse, hospital. Maybe if you can go for hospital, I think will you get the hospital bed? Okay, this bed symbol I am getting. Okay, no problem. Copy this bed. Copy the code. Yep, FA solid, FA bed. Okay. And we have small para tag I am taking. 70 beds. Like this, we have one more, right? Three things. Sorry, something went wrong. Yeah. So guys, we are done with it. This is the structure I am giving. So, and how many times this should be repeated, Andy? 4 times, na? AH block, AH block, AH block. Like this, we have to repeat this AH block to 4 times. This is AH block. This AH block should be repeated 4 times. Copy the second one. Oh, sorry, something is problematic. One div is adding extra. If that is continuing, so we will have a lot of problem. Yeah. Third is completed. Now I'm adding the fourth one also. Right. It's time to work with from your end, guys. Okay. Right. The structure is ready. I given all the structure to you for this thing. This is a AH header, AH blocks. Oh, at the bottom you have two links also, right? Okay, let's write AH footer. No problem. I'm writing this way. AH footer. We have two anchor tags. AHREF is equal to. So this is left arrow and right arrow symbols, right? I think we added the classes already. Class is equal to, I don't know, left arrow, and class is equal to right arrow. I'm using the same classes. Of course, if you want, you can design them, no problem. Right arrow, right. This is what exactly. AH footer. I don't know what is the code you written yesterday. If you can copy it also, that's fine. No, if you want to do this same thing, yeah, you can continue the same thing. It's not a big deal at all, right? So this is going to be the arrow symbols we have to get, right? So I think I have the arrow symbol here. Copy this arrow symbol code. So come here. This is left. This is going to be right. This is going to be right. Now you see this structure now. And if you can go and see the structure, and this is how the content will be like this. Now, we did not implement that background image, and I will tell you how to implement the background image section also. I will tell you. Right. So, but your agenda is what, how can we bring this content side by side as in the image, that is your assignment. This assignment you take it, and tomorrow is anyhow all day, right? On Monday session I will try to work on this assignment. If you tried, very happy, and let me know if you have any problems you're facing also. I can help you on the same thing. So okay, let me upload this assignment to Drive, and we will see you on Monday, and try to complete this. I given the structure, you try to complete it. So I written the structure also, but for the footer, I designed the structure. You have to create the thing. I given the prototype. For this prototype, you have to create the structure. For this, I given the structure. You just need to design footer. You have to create the structure. You have to design the footer. And for this, I created the structure already. Just design the structure as per this. Okay, all right. So let's move, and I'm stopping the session for the day. Let's continue the same in the next session. Okay, right.